Okay, I have to start from scratch again because I forgot to hit the record button. And a bunch of slop and junk on my fingers. For you, RmNixon, salute. That's that next beer. Well, I already cracked, like I said, I forgot to hit the record button. And I forgot to get the paper towels. You missed the first part here. Found these in the freezer. Check this out. Well, you missed that part. See instructions. Remove from plastic wrap. Really? I thought that was going to be the base of my smoke flavor. Anyhow, well, the grill was already preheated. You know how shit goes. They're kind of half frozen. I'm just putting yeah, they actually print that on instructions nowadays because I guess people are that fucking dumb. I mean, that'd be common sense. Remove from plastic. Oh, no shit, really? Wow. Oh my Lord, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Anyhow, I can't find that old battery cable I sliced up I was using for a mount. What I'm doing here, though, got a little Miss Dash lemon pepper flavored. Now you got the Lowry's. You want to be careful with this, kind of, because, that can get out of control really quick. And I'm going to have to put the camera down here for a second. Get out of control really quick. Pepper, Mrs. Dash on here. Okay, now we can flip them and I can hold the camera because I can walk and chew gum at the same time. People think I got like issues and stuff. See? Oh shit. There we go. This shit's gonna stick right to the goddamn. Yeah, I'm gonna be scraping that off. Now I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna have to set you here again for a second. I gotta do the other side. This I can do. I need to, these in the fucking freezer. Yeah. Wow. Look at that shit. Man, that smells good. That's gotta cook. Put it down low. No, low. Let them put it low, let them flames sit a minute. Give a couple of minutes or so. Kind of let it. I'm telling you, with that Lowry's seasoned salt, though, you want to be really careful. That stuff can just get right away from you. Wow. Some tilapia on the grill and a beer for RmNixon.